What's up, guys? This is Eddie, owner of Easy Vending, back with another video for you guys. And today this is just gonna be a quick collection video. All I'm doing is I'm checking a bulk candy machine at the office building that I had it at. I also placed the snack honor box. So in the same office building, I actually have a few of these snack honor boxes out now. Starting to really like these. If you haven't seen my last video, I had pulled some of my lollipop honor boxes. Some of them was already taken out by the store owners actually, but still not decided about what I'm gonna do about the lollipop honor boxes yet. However, I am getting more snack honor box locations. I am going to be trying to get some full line locations. We'll see how that go, but honestly right now I'm focused on these snack boxes. They're smaller, they're easier to move around. It's just like it's a little bit easier for me right now to just to deal with. I don't really want the headache. Also coming up Monday, which would be the 4th, I think. Yeah, the 4th. I should be getting my first mini crane that I had ordered. That is a whole other experience, guys. That I definitely I'm gonna share that with y'all one of these days and make a video about it. But can't wait to get it, test it out, get it placed. Got plans for that. Also got plans to order more of those mini crane machines. And so I'm just taking my business in a different type of direction. Just trying to kind of, you know, pivot and just keep up with the way things is going right now and figure out some alternatives. Can't get to a lot about bulk candy machines. Some of them I still can. I haven't technically been kicked out of none of the bulk candy machine locations yet. A lot of them I can't get to, so I don't know what's going on. So I haven't even been able to speak with those people. Next week or two, a lot of places are going to be able to do more business than they've been doing, or if they haven't been doing any at all. So I should be able to find out what's going on more about that. So hope you guys continue to stick around for the ride, man. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button, please, for me. Also, in this video coming up, I forgot to add the amount for the first bulk machine that you're going to see. So the amounts that I got in the collection part of this at the end does not include the bulk machine that's in this video. All right, I don't know. I was tripping in this whole little sequence right here, man. Honestly, I don't know, but this is a bulk machine that I had went to. It's me placing the snack honor box. It's also me collecting that same snack honor box. So I show you a video from when I had placed it, and then at the end in the collection, it's going to be a couple other bulk machines plus what I pulled from that box. All right, and I also got some more snack honor box collections for you guys. I wasn't going to add them with these. I'll add them to another video, which should be coming up this week. But so you know, but I got some good things coming up, man. I'm really excited, really excited. I know there's a lot going on, but I am not perturbed, or nor am I like at a loss for what to do, despite the whole pandemic and all this other stuff going on. I feel like, you know, I had to take stock of what I was doing. I had to decide, you know, what was the direction I wanted to go in for my business, especially long term, and I just had to make some decisions. And you know, I'll be broadcasting those decisions on this channel. One of those decisions is probably cutting out, or at least, you know, shrinking my lollipop honor box business to focus on other things, especially the claw machines, bulk machines, and even the snack honor boxes, which the snack honor boxes for the most part are doing more for me than the lollipop honor boxes. Also, they just seem easier to place in this environment because the lollipop honor boxes are more, I guess, frequented by the public, but the snack honor boxes are just usually used by the employees in any given location. So and from the business's standpoint, the location standpoint, there's less liability because they're the one using it, you know, just their employees. Nobody's coming in from the public and just touching that stuff. So, you know, so anyway, without further ado, let's get on into the video. Alright, so for this machine here, it's been sitting in this spot for, I don't know, maybe a month or so. Either way, it didn't make that much. I honestly wrote down how much I pulled, but then I lost the daggone paper. The first 2 trays only had like $1 each. That tray, I don't know, I want to say it was close to 10 bucks. I don't know, man, probably $12 to $15. That's about it. But I mean, the people still use it. They said they wipe it down themselves and sanitize it, so I really didn't have to worry much about that, you know. So not bad. Right here is a snap box that I set up. This is kind of what I put in these boxes. I really like these boxes. It's a nice little change up from the regular you know, lollipop honor boxes. This is based on the honor system as well. They put the money in the front, and I actually did a collection from this particular box, and you'll be seeing that in the video coming up. But this did really well. Y'all, here's another quick collection video. This is from 2 machines, mind you. I have not collected from these machines in months because of the whole pandemic, so it's not like this is a month worth. Okay, I want to get that right. I'm not going to, you know, lie. However, this snack box is probably about only a couple weeks worth. So we're gonna see what's in here first, and then I will give you guys the total of everything. So let's open this up real quick. This was about maybe 50 something items. Mostly $1, man. Some of the stuff I marked down a little bit depending on what it is. Like for instance, these peanuts, it's just a little bag. Ain't nobody about to pay $1 for those, so I'll put a 50-cent sign on them. And like my sign right here say everything only $1 unless otherwise on the item. So I just kind of do that just to make it fair. Ain't nobody gonna pay for that stuff. So let me count this up real quick and we'll see how much we got. Alright, so I kind of got everything separated. There's the bills, got a 5 in there, and some change. So, count it up and see what we got. The bills, there's $36 in bills, including the $5 bill. So 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some change. So we'll just say $44 off of that. So which ain't bad. And there's still a few products left. Still got a few bags of chips and some peanuts. I put $16 cost of goods wise. The product in there was Spout. Maybe 17. I think I put a few extra higher cost items in there. So it was about $17. Chips, I only charged 75 cents for these. I know I've seen vending machines that charge maybe 65 or so. I mean, look, convenience factor, man, it is what it is. 75 cents, ain't nobody paying no $1 for these little bags of chips because they only the 0.75 ounce. I think 75 is fair. Most of the stuff in here is $1, but there is a few things that's not. So 43 bucks, I think I said right. 36, 37, 39, 41, 2, 3, 4, $44 and some change. Alright, so $44 and some change, guys. This was a bulk candy machine. 10, 20, 30, 40. $40.75. This was another bulk candy machine at a car shop. 10, these are stacks of $5, by the way. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2, 52.50 there. And this was just an honor box I had collected and took out of a slower car shop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 75, 80, 480. And then this was from another honor box. And this was $18, 19, 20, 20.70, So I'm gonna put up the total numbers right up after this. But I just want to say that I'm really liking these snap boxes, man. They've been helping me out. Like I said, I pulled most of the regular honor boxes for my own reasons. I'll probably end up placing them back, maybe. There's some that I still got out. I might not pull. It just depends, man. Really not sure how I want to do this shit with these honor boxes, but I am going to keep the snack honor boxes going, guys. So There's that little collection right there. And here is the total I'm gonna put up right now for you guys.